What's the big problem about file shares? And here are some top file share concerns, or as we like to call it, how to convince your leadership. First of all, they're rather risky data sources. The cost of file share data leak averaged in between 1.52 and $4.24 million in 2022. And this makes sense with the upcoming privacy regulations. Most file shares are not managed for PII and sensitive information. And under GDPR and CCPA, you have to automatically pay $4 million if there is ever a PII leak. And also, the biggest problem is that these file shares and all of the problems that come with it is growing year by year. There is an estimated growth of 30%. These numbers changed based on the industry, the company. Worst we have seen is the size doubling almost roughly every year. Here's what it's already costing you. File shares cost about $300 per user each year. They also cost about at least $1,300 per terabyte. That's usually an easier way to calculate your file share costs. If you're on cloud, this is going to become a lot more expensive. And unfortunately, 60% of this cost is due to ROT. So you could actually get rid of 60% of what you're paying for your file shares. Employees also waste a lot of time searching through ROT in these file shares, roughly an hour. It can go up to 3 hours. And organizations lose about 2 to 5% of their records inside these file shares. So as we can see, we have a good number of problems. And as the marketing team, we've actually double checked all of these numbers. And we have put all of them down below in our slide deck. And this deck will be made available to you on our LinkedIn page. So if you would like to grab this page and show it to your senior leadership about why and how it costs this much, it will be on our LinkedIn.